बरायबाय लोगोफोर नोंथांमोन बयखौबो आंनि नैबे मोनसे गोदान भिडिअआव आङो दिनै नोंथांमोननि थाखाय मोनसे गोदान भिडिअ लाबोनो नागिरदों लोगोफोर दिनैनि बे भिडिअआनो जागोन जोंहा मा होनना बुङो जोंहा जिथुनाखि इन्डियानि जि दुरान काप बे दुरान कापखौ जोंनि नैबे उदालगुरि डिस्ट्रिक्टनि सिङाव थानाय नलबारि गेलेग्रा फोथाराव दिनै बेयाव मा होनना बुङो दुरान कापनि ट्रफिखौ जोंहा नैबेयाव दिनै रायजोफोरनो बा पाब्लिकफोरनो दिन्थिदों बेयाव लाबोनानै बेनिफ्राय आरो जोंहा बेयाव बिटिआरनि जि दैदेनगिरिफोर दङ माखासे बिथांमोनाबो बाहागो लादों आरो लोगोसे बेयाव जोंहा जि इन्डियानि जि मोनसे मुंदांखा खेला दुरान काप बे कापनि जि ट्रफि बेखौ दिनै बेयाव दिन्थिनाय जादों आरो बेयावनो गोबां जोंहा रौनिया हान्जाफोर दङ आरो आङो बेखौनो नोंथांमोननो दिनै भिडिअ लाबोगोन नोंथांमोना नायलांबाय थादो आरो बेयाव लोगोसे दिनै मोननै गोख्रों हान्जाया बाहागो लागोन आरो ना जोंहा बेयाव लेडिस फुटबल टिमबो जोंहा दिन्थिगोन आरो नुनो मोनगोन नोंथांमोना आंजों लोगोसे नायलांफाबाय थादो आरो ना लोगोफोर दे अब्ला लोगोफोर आङो दिनैनि भिडिअखौ नोंथांमोननो दिन्थिलांबाय थागोन
ৰাষ্ট্ৰপতি ভৱনত ১৩৩ সংখ্যক ডুৰাণ্ড কাপ টুৰ্ণামেণ্ট ২০২৪ৰ ট্ৰফি উন্মোচন কৰে আৰু আদৰি লয়।
Champion by Sanjay Devani, Sub-Divisional Sports Officer, Udalguri. Department of Sports and Youth Welfare, as well as the working chairman of local organizing committee, Duran Khan. Would like to felicitate with a photo traditional Arona. Thank you, sir. जोंनि गेजेराव आखाइखौ खबबाय था मानगोनां रायजोफोर Suresh, DC Udalguri.
See the trophy with our own eyes for the first time. I hope the people will enjoy this game and the young people will get encouragement to see the football games organized among the different teams, the different parties, different troops of the army. We hope the people will cooperate with us, and especially we would like to thank the Indian Army for giving us this opportunity to organize this game. Last time it was very nice that our people enjoyed, and this time also we will enjoy, and especially our young people have the opportunity to see the games and learn all the techniques. Full authority of Indian Army.
Moja naik deh, Melonda.
Would like to request them to continue this kind of cooperation with us, especially the people of Gujarat. Gujarat is one of the breeding ground of football, and especially for our people, for our boys, are inborn football players.
With the inaugural Durand Cup 2024 trophy tour in this beautiful city. The Durand Cup, as we all know and was brought out by the speakers before me, is one of the oldest sporting tournaments not only in India but in Asia, with its legacy going back to more than 130 years. This prestigious tournament has given all these sports enthusiasts countless moments of sporting joy and continues to be a beacon of excellence in the Indian football arena. The Durand Cup is not just about football. It represents the spirit of unity, camaraderie and sportsmanship by bringing together players from varied backgrounds, clubs and regions, all the various government agencies. As a representative of the Indian Armed Forces, I feel proud to witness the spirit of sportsmanship and teamwork, which comes from the values of discipline, perseverance, and unity, which we equally cherish in our organization. Also, one of the main aim of these events is to inspire the younger generation to embrace.
Timni nama mana maksudnya? Fergau na? Fergau Club Division. Ah, deh. Football player pura naik biar naik reels sepone besar aja naik tanggung naik reels. Mana tim ni nama maksudnya? Hah? Mas ba? Ah, macam ni le tu na? Deh.
गुरैयै खावलायबाय जे नोंथांमोना बयबो जाहाथे जोंजों बाहागो लायो आरो जोबजासिम गेलेनायखौ नायलाङो। Ladies and gentlemen, based on now I would like to request our dignitaries, all the dignitaries, those who are present on the dais, to come inside the ground for the introduction with the players. Please, sir. Our Honorable Deputy Chief, sir, Brigadier, sir, DC, sir, SP, sir, Dr. Sangram Rama, sir, EM Sports, Dawai Saboro, sir, and many others. All are requested to come inside the ground for the introduction with the players, as well as आं बे समाव जोंनि मानगोनां Deputy Chief Sir खौ introduction लाखांनायनि उनाव बलखौ जोजेननानै shaking hands with the players and our Honorable Brigadier DS Deval Chauriya Chakra, Commander Red Horse Artillery Brigade, सभी खिलाड़ियों के साथ inside the technical area अभी इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन में भाग ले रहे हैं और उनके साथ विद्यालय का ये नवसा बरोसा और असम फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन का ऑनरेरी सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर संगम रामो सर, उदलगुरी का डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिश्नर सर, एसपी सर, एसडी मीडिया पार्टिसिपेंट्स एंड ऑफिशियल्स ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आवर
नैबे सासेखौ होनदो
may I request our the girls in red jersey want the toes from the Udaipur subdivision.
Sila, siya dati anda gitu.
Okay, first, go! Give up!
Sige naman.
Team back! Team back! Team back! Clear goal! Oh, hilang! Hilang! Boleh. Ang mau kita rohi mah, rohi mah. Friza,